In this episode, we're going to take you on a journey profiling the life and the crimes of the pig farmer, a serial killer who literally hid in plain sight. As a matter of fact, he was often seen walking around downtown Vancouver and in the commercial area covered in blood, and yet no one seemed to notice or care. And Brandy, can you believe that someone was so brazen to walk around covered in blood, even in front of the police?
Why would someone do that that's trying to cover up his crimes? But he slaughtered pigs for a living and people knew about him, knew who he was, so they didn't think this was that unusual.
Yeah, and he literally hid in plain sight. You hear that phrase all the time, but we don't often think it's going to work. But in his case, it did.